Okay, so the kids have done these quite a lot. They've even actually done this word tame before, but I'll tell you how to use it. So just say the word. The word is tame. The definition is not dangerous or frightened of people. Go to the next slide. The boy stepped cautiously towards the dog, reached out to pat it, and stroked its head. Phew, it was tame, he thought. So you're putting tame into a sentence. And then we go to the pictures. So you go, is this tame or not tame? And I'll go, that's not tame. You go to the next one, tame or not tame? I'll say not tame. Tame or not tame? Not tame. I think that one is actually tame. Tame or not tame? That's not tame. And then you go again, is this tame or not tame? And that looks tame. And that's it. And then you go to here. And then after that, you'll go, yeah, and write sentence. The dog was tame because it let me pet it. Cool. Sweet. Have fun.